If you're seeing GOG Error 500, don't worry. This is usually a temporary server or connection issue, and in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. We'll start with the simplest solution first, then move into a few stronger troubleshooting steps if the error keeps coming back. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. First, try the most common fix: refresh or retry. If you're on the GOG website, press F5 on your keyboard or click the reload button in your browser. If you're in GOG Galaxy, close the page or app and try again after a few minutes. In many cases, error 500 happens because the server is under temporary load, so waiting a short while can solve it without doing anything else. Next, check the GOG server status. Open your browser and go to downdetector.com/status/gog-com. This will show whether other users are reporting problems too. If you see a spike in reports, the issue is probably on GOG's side, which means the best fix may simply be to wait until the service comes back online. If the servers look fine, the next step is to restart GOG Galaxy or your browser. On Windows, open Task Manager, find GOG Galaxy, right-click it, and click End Task. This fully closes the app instead of just minimizing it. Then reopen GOG Galaxy and try again. If you're using the website, fully close your browser and reopen it before signing in or refreshing the page. Another very helpful fix is to clear your cache and cookies. If old or corrupted browser data is stored, it can interfere with GOG loading properly and trigger server errors. Go into your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear cached files and cookies. After that, reopen the browser and log back into GOG. If the error still appears, disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes route your traffic in a way that causes login or server errors, especially on platforms that are sensitive to location changes. Turn off your VPN completely, disable any proxy settings, and then refresh GOG again. You should also check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can make it look like GOG is broken when the real issue is your network. Try restarting your Wi-Fi router, disconnect and reconnect to the network, or test another connection if one is available. Sometimes switching from Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot or the other way around can immediately solve the problem. If none of those steps work, reinstalling GOG Galaxy may be the best final fix. Go to GOG.com, download the latest version of GOG Galaxy, and install it again on your computer. This can replace any corrupted files and give you a fresh start with the newest version of the launcher. Once the reinstall is complete, sign back in and check whether the error is gone. So to recap, start by refreshing, then check the server status, restart GOG Galaxy or your browser, clear cache and cookies, disable VPN or proxy, test your internet connection, and if needed, reinstall GOG Galaxy. In most cases, one of these steps will fix error 500 quickly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.